Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and on Thursdays. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon. So in today's vlog, I'm going to share two recipes, that is Aloo Matar Masala, and along with that some whole wheat Palak Ajwain Poori. So let's get started with this wholesome, unique, healthy recipe. So let us have a look onto the ingredients section for the aloo matar. Here I've taken around 2 medium size of potatoes, 250 grams of dried peas which have been soaked for an hour. You can also opt for fresh peas, which is matar. 2 tablespoons of cumin, that is zira, 1/4 cup of coriander leaves, a big pinch of hing asafoetida, 1/3 cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of garam masala powder, and 1 teaspoon of haldi. So here I'm adding oil to the hot pan and the zira, that is the cumin seed. Then goes the potatoes. Fry them for approx 5 minutes. You need to gently fry them because I'm not adding any onion or tomatoes to it. So just fry them crisp. Add the asafoetida, the turmeric, the chili powder, and mix them well for good 2 minutes. Now you can add some garam masala powder and mix them well again. Last, add the coriander powder and just remove all the raw texture of the masala. Please keep on mixing for next 2 minutes. Then you can add the pre-soaked dried peas and just give it a quick mix together. Toss them. And now you can add approx 1 cup of water or more. And you can add some coriander leaves. Give it a gentle mix. Close the lid for 5 minutes. Now you can add some salt as per your taste and sprinkle some coriander leaves and a quick mix. So all done in just 20 minutes, our aloo matar masala has been ready with some very basic and a minimum ingredients. So serve this aloo matar masala with some piping hot puri, that is the Palak Ajwain Poori. Let us now begin with the second recipe. Let us have a look onto the main ingredient section for the Palak Puris. So for the Palak Ajwain Poori, all you need is a bunch of palak, that is spinach, 2 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/3 cup of coriander leaves, roughly chopped, 1/3 cup of ghee, that is clarified butter, 1 tablespoon of salt, 3 green chilies, and 2 tablespoons of ajwain, that is carom seeds. So we need to blend them together in order to make it in a puree form. Add the spinach to the blender with the chilies, salt, coriander leaves, and some water, around 1/2 cup or 1/4 cup of water. Blend them together into a fine paste in a puree form. So here I'm adding the 2 cups of whole wheat flour into a bowl. To this I'm going to add some carom seeds, salt as per your taste or 1 tablespoon, and give it a quick mix. Combine them together. To this I'm adding the puree, the spinach puree, and mix them well. And now I'm adding around 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee, that is clarified butter. Add more ghee if possible, and then you can just knead them without adding much water. Knead them into a soft dough. Do not use too much of water because we have already added the puree. So our dough is ready, soft, and now you can add a little bit of ghee, that is around 1 teaspoon of ghee, and coat them well and let them rest for around 10 to 15 minutes more. Cover them completely and rest them, give them a rest. The resting period is equally important. So you need to give the dough rest for 10 to 15 minutes or so, and post that the dough becomes very soft and your puri or your chapati will puff up easily. Roll them gently under your palm, and around 9 to 10 pieces can be easily made with this amount of dough. With the help of the rolling pin, you can just roll them and flatten them into a puri shape or any shape of your choice. Also, I have used some cookie cutter, so you can also experiment on that, on the shapes and everything. It shouldn't be too much thick. This is the exact shape I needed, so I've just made them into a heart shape and some round as usual. So these are ready to be fried. The temperature of the oil should be medium to high or perfectly high. That's okay. So you just need to be careful with it because it's too hot. The oil is too hot. Please maintain some distance. Splash some oil onto it, the hot oil onto the puri, so that it evenly gets cooked. So here I'm dropping some heart-shaped puris. So the resting period was most important part. This is the reason it's getting puffed up easily. So don't forget on that. Splash some hot oil while it's frying. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video today. The piping hot Palak Ajwain Poori, along with that some Aloo Matar Masala recipe. Stay connected to Dimple's and Arabian journey and share this video with your friends and family. Give us a thumbs up if you love and enjoy my video, and don't forget to comment under the comment section below with all your suggestions. Thank you so much. Till then, enjoy!